Hello ladies and gents. Today we're going to be working on one of my designs called Cool Swag, and this is using magatomas, size 6mm pearls, and size 11 seed beads of your choice. You will need your 8-pound fire line, or 6, whatever you prefer to work with. I know people have different preferences on that. I just happen to like the 8-pound. And then I love my tulip needles and whatever you choose to have for your little cutters. And then, of course, a toggle of choice. And this is the bracelet that we're going to be doing. This makes a beautiful beach sandal and also a great anklet. And it actually makes a cool choker too. So we're going to be working with a little bit similar colors but different. And then just to give you an idea of, we have just so many magatomas and so many colors. So I'm just going to put out some of the colors. The off-white's just stunning. And then you got a pearl white. I carry this in about 100 colors. So pretty much anything that Miyoki and Toho make, I carry. So we will be doing numerous kits in all of these colors. And then once again, go on becreativeonline.myshopify.com, and from there you can reach me with any questions that you have and any special orders that you need. So we're going to get started with this.